Hi Steph lovers. Alright, this is the full video of how I mix my whipping cream to get a very stable position. Here are a few things you should check out in your own whipping cream before buying them. Number one, please make sure your own have stabilizer, but if it doesn't have, alright, you can actually use something to replace it or add your own stabilizer before mixing it. Most whipping cream comes with their measurements on the body. They will give you direction on how to mix it, especially the measurements to use. But mine, I always like to create my own measurements so that even if I'm not putting it inside the fridge, it will be able to stay for a long time before melting. You can actually use your manual hand mixer to mix this whipping cream, which I haven't tried before though. But for me, the best for mixing this whipped cream is electric mixer. Is going to be better and give you much more stable results. But in case you are not too sure if your whipping cream comes with stabilizer inside it, all you have to do is to bloom 1 teaspoon of gelatin inside water and add it while mixing your whipping cream. Please make sure that the water you are going to use must be very chilled, very cold. If possible, you can also add ice inside your water. Let it dissolve inside the water before mixing your whipping cream with it. And also make sure you are using the lowest speed to avoid incorporating air inside your whipping cream. It will start forming bubbles, which will not be very good for you. So please mix at the lowest speed. So this is my own measurement that I use on my own whipping cream, so you can shape it to your own while mixing. I use 3 cups of whipping cream, which is 250 ml each. Then 2 cups of water, chilled very cold water, which is 250 ml each. Then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can use any one you want, but I use 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. How to know your whipping cream is okay and good to go is once it doubles in size and give you that very smooth and thick texture, that means it's good to go. This particular whipping cream can stay out of the fridge for more than 10 hours, but not in a hot place. So whipping cream doesn't survive a hot environment. It is either a normal environment or a cold environment. So continue watching the rest of the video. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment.